Copyright Laws by Rhonda Gatewood. When we talk about copyright laws, let's discuss copyright laws with regard to educational usage. What are considered original works? What are the repercussions of infringement? What is proof of copyright infringement? What is the Creative Commons use, and what is fair use? Original works. What are original works? Literary works, music, dramatic works, pantomimes, choreography, pictorials, graphics, sculptures, motion pictures, visual works, sound recordings, and architecture. What are the repercussions of infringement? The infringer may have to pay the copyright owner. There may be statutory damages, and there may be criminal penalties, as well as the ceasing of the use of such work. How do we prove copyright infringement? If the work is substantially similar to the copyrighted work, and if the infringer had access to the copyrighted work. What are Creative Commons use? This allows educators to reproduce copyrighted use for educational purposes. What about fair use? Fair use has 4 factors considered: purpose and character of use, nature of the copyrighted work, that is, whether it was used for commercial or nonprofit educational purposes, the nature of the copyrighted work. The more factual and less creative in nature, the more likely to be fair use. The amount and substantiality of the portion taken, the more taken, the less likely to be fair use. And the effect of the use on the potential market. The Copyright Act of 1976. This act extended the renewal term from 28 to 47 years. That's for copyrights after January 1st, 1978. It allowed for a total term of protection of 75 years. On October 27th, 1998, renewal terms were even further extended to an additional 20 years, offering a renewal term of 67 years and a total term of protection for 95 years. What cannot be copyrighted? Ideas, procedures, methods, systems, processes, concept, principles, discovery, or devices. Titles, names, short phrases and slogans, mere listings of ingredients or contexts. Works that are not fixed in a tangible form of expression. Works consisting entirely of information that is commonly available and contains no originality. And finally, works by the U.S. government. That concludes our copyright presentation. Thank you.